Hope this video will help you to know about the Loxplot concept of acid and base. Here calcium oxide reacts with silicon dioxide SiO2 and gives calcium silicate. Which one is a base in the above reaction, CaO or SiO2? Obviously calcium oxide is a base in this reaction. Why? Because it can give an oxide ion. CaO gives Ca2 plus and O2 minus. Here CO2 plus is an acid because it can accept an oxide ion. Which one is an acid in the above reaction? Obviously SiO2. SiO2 accepts an oxide ion and gives SiO3 2 minus. So in the above example, calcium oxide gives an oxide ion and SiO2 takes an oxide ion. According to this concept, base is a substance which gives oxide ion and acid is a substance which takes an oxide ion. Zinc oxide is amphoteric because zinc oxide can accept an oxide ion and zinc oxide can give an oxide ion. Here zinc oxide is an acid because it accepts an oxide ion and becomes zincate, ZnO2 2 minus. Here zinc oxide is a base because it gives an oxide ion. Zinc oxide is an acid as well as a base, so zinc oxide is amphoteric. Let us take an example, Al2O3. Here Al2O3 is also amphoteric like zinc oxide because Al2O3 can give oxide ion and Al2O3 can accept oxide ion. When Al2O3 gives oxide ion, it becomes Al3 plus. When Al2O3 accepts an oxide ion, it becomes LO2 minus, aluminate. This theory can be extended to anion transfer. In the example NaF plus AlF3, NaF is a base and AlF3 is an acid because NaF can give a fluoride ion and AlF3 is an acid because it can accept a fluoride ion. So NaF becomes Na plus and AlF3 becomes AlF6 3 minus. Here the anion may be X minus or H2 minus or any other anion. Thank you.